Welcome to this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let us start this video. 1. NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental library for numerical computing, providing support for arrays, matrices, and mathematical functions. Use it when you need to perform numerical computations, work with large data sets, or manipulate arrays efficiently. 2. Pandas. Pandas is a data manipulation and analysis library that provides structures like data frames and series. Use it when working with structured data, CSV, Excel, databases, and need to clean, transform, or analyze large data sets. 3. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a widely used library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. Use it when you need to create graphs, plots, or visualizations for data analysis or reports. 4. Seaborn. Seaborn is a statistical data visualization library that builds on Matplotlib and integrates well with Pandas. Use it when you need to create attractive, high-level statistical plots like heat maps, violin plots, or regression plots. 5. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for predictive modeling and analysis. Use it when you need to apply machine learning algorithms like classification, regression, or clustering on structured data. 6. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source library developed by Google for deep learning and machine learning applications. Use it when you need to build and train deep learning models for tasks like image recognition, NLP, and AI applications. 7. PyTorch. PyTorch is an open-source deep learning framework known for its flexibility and dynamic computation graph. Use it when you need an easy-to-use deep learning framework for research, prototyping, or production AI models. 8. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural networks API, running on top of TensorFlow, designed for fast experimentation. Use it when you need an easy-to-use interface for building deep learning models with TensorFlow backend. 9. XGBoost. XGBoost is a powerful library for gradient boosting, often used in machine learning competitions. Use it when you need efficient and scalable gradient boosting for predictive modeling, especially with tabular data. 10. LightGBM. LightGBM is a gradient boosting framework optimized for speed and accuracy. Use it when you need a faster alternative to XGBoost or when working with large data sets. 11. Flask. Flask is a lightweight web framework for Python that helps build web applications and APIs quickly. Use it when you need to develop simple web applications, RESTful APIs, or prototypes with minimal setup. 12. FastAPI. FastAPI is a modern, fast, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python. Use it when you need to build fast and efficient RESTful APIs, especially for high-performance systems. 13. Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Use it when you need to build full-featured, scalable web applications with built-in authentication, security, and database management. 14. Requests. Requests is a simple and elegant HTTP library for making network requests in Python. Use it when you need to send HTTP requests to interact with web services, APIs, or scrape data from the web. 15. Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is a library for extracting data from HTML and XML files. Use it when you need to scrape and parse web pages to extract specific data elements. 16. Scrap. Scrap is a fast and powerful web crawling and scraping framework. Use it when you need to extract large amounts of structured data from websites efficiently. 17. OpenCV. OpenCV is a computer vision library that provides tools for image and video processing. Use it when you need to perform tasks like facial recognition, object detection, or real-time video processing. 18. NLTK. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, is a library for processing and analyzing human language data. Use it when you need to work on NLP tasks such as tokenization, sentiment analysis, or chatbot development. 19. Sparse.A. Sparse is an NLP library for advanced natural language processing tasks like entity recognition, text classification, and dependency parsing. Use it when you need high-performance NLP tasks, especially for production environments. 20. GenSim. GenSim is a library for topic modeling, document indexing, and other NLP tasks. Use it when you need to work with large text corpora for topic modeling, word embeddings, or semantic analysis. 21. Hugging Face Transformers. Hugging Face Transformers is a library for state-of-the-art NLP models like BERT, GPT-3, and more. Use it when you need to leverage pre-trained transformer models for NLP tasks like text generation or sentiment analysis. 22. Boto3. Boto3 is the Amazon Web Services AWS SDK for Python, allowing developers to write software that makes use of Amazon services like S3 and EC2. Use it when you need to interact with AWS services programmatically, such as managing S3 buckets, EC2 instances, or other AWS resources. 23. Google Cloud. Google Cloud's Python client libraries to interact with various GCP services. Use it when working with Google Cloud services like Cloud Storage, BigQuery, etc. 24.The AWS Lambda Python. AWS Lambda's Python runtime, for building serverless applications with Python. Use it when you want to write serverless functions with AWS Lambda using Python. 25. Azure SDK for Python. A collection of client libraries provided by Microsoft to interact with various Azure services like blob storage, virtual machines, databases, and AI services. Use it when you need to programmatically interact with Azure services, including storage, networking, and machine learning. 26. Azure Identity. Provides authentication support for Azure SDKs, including support for managed identities and Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure AD. Use it when you need secure authentication for your Azure-based Python applications, without manually handling credentials. 27. Azure Storage Blob. A specialized library for working with Azure Blob Storage, allowing you to upload, download, and manage files in Azure containers. Use it when you need to store and retrieve large amounts of unstructured data like logs, images, or backups on Azure. 28. Azure Management Resource. A management library that helps in provisioning, monitoring, and managing Azure resources programmatically. Use it when you need to automate the creation and management of Azure services like virtual machines, databases, and networks. 29. OpenAI. The official Python client library for interacting with OpenAI's APIs, including GPT models, ChatGPT, Almiddle.E for image generation, and Whisper for speech-to-text. Use it when you need to integrate OpenAI models into your application for natural language processing, image generation, or speech recognition. 30. Language.For. A framework for building AI-powered applications using large language models, LLMs, with built-in support for OpenAI's API. Use it when you need to build conversational agents, AI-powered chatbots, or knowledge retrieval systems with OpenAI models. 31. TikTok. An efficient tokenizer library for OpenAI's models, designed to optimize token usage and reduce API costs. Use it when you need to count tokens, optimize text processing, or estimate API costs before making OpenAI API calls.